that Pakistan can become the next target. It's because there's a sea of difference between these two countries and Pakistan. We are an established and declared nuclear power. And the world has no experience of going to or even attempting to go into a misadventure against an established nuclear power. And if such a misadventure is taken or attempted to, then it will lead to horrific consequences which the world may not be able to endure. Hence, I have said it before, I will say it again very clearly, that seeking conflict with an established nuclear power for elusive objectives is absurd, sheer stupidity, and inconceivable.